What's keeping you from blogging? We've covered a lot of ground in this ebook. We've covered 17 different blog post formulas that will help you write posts more quickly and with greater depth. By following these formulas, you're sure to delight your readers and quickly build an audience of raving fans. The formulas we discussed are how-to guides, news and current events, controversy, checklists, listicles, case studies, profiles and interviews, the expert roundup, reviews and comparisons, resource roundups, quote roundups, behind the scenes, a day in the life, data-backed posts, inspirational stories, frequently asked questions, top takeaways, beginner's guides. Now there's nothing to hold you back from blogging. You have the formulas you need to write killer, compelling, clickable blog posts. Don't wait any longer to begin blogging. Start today. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Braunfels and our website at digitalpromotionsnewbraunfels.com. Like, comment and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.